I just did private training in USA, and if you are in Europe or somewhere around, come, to Vilnius, fly to Vilnius, and I will meet you at airport with a car, will drive, stay through a booking, booking.com. There are so many options where you can rent for training for 5 days, for 2 days even if you come for a weekend, or for 1 month if you want. So the longer trainings will take, the more knowledge I will install into you. And I love to do when a client, comes, sit downs. I love to share the knowledge, of my experience. I love, to show on a computer infields from approach to sex. Another amazing business client, I asked, why you chose alphamantraining.com? We worked almost 7 months in a row. Why you didn't choose any other dating coaches? Why you chose us, alphamantraining.com? And he told, because you show everything. And yes, we show everything. Approach, talking, sex scenes, everything. And also on our training we will talk about case of law and police. We will consider those police and case of law, because on 2022 I need to train you those things. So fly to Vilnius, let's do training, and will be awesome. If it's inconvenient for you, fly to Europe, to Vilnius. There are always products on alphamantraining.com. And also, some of you bought from Lithuanian page, Patrauklus Vyras LT, and this is awesome what you did, because I think those 2 clients who bought those products, they are, using Google Translator or something. It's Lithuanian language, but they translate using a phone, and we got the knowledge. So it's also, you can buy from that website. And on alphamantraining.com, you need to watch products in a row and come to training. And come to training definitely. At some point of your life, do Alphaman training. It is amazing, we will do training in garage or in our very good place. For example, this place I love to do in this place training, because you can, jump on the ground, I can play music how much loud I want. This is perfect place for training dance systems, dance techniques, kino escalation techniques, kissing techniques. We can talk anything we want here, and it's very private place. I love this place. And if it's not convenient for you, fly to Vilnius, invest into products. This new product, tricking 5 new different girls into sex, 2022, it's unbelievable, very great product. I will send you 2 different invoices. You will pay them, and after money will reach our bank account, we will manually unlock you that product to watch. You will watch, will gain all knowledge, and then will execute what we will train in that product. And about that product you need to read the description. So pretty much that's it, and let's celebrate. Let's celebrate this amazing success that you guys said. One of you said that we are best dating coach in the world. It means world to us. It's amazing, and we will never stop. Our systems will become more strong and strong. Our knowledge of case of law will be stronger and stronger. Our knowledge about how police works will become stronger and stronger, and our techniques combined that will become more stronger and stronger. Now, from approach to sex, we have systems which train like 40 minutes from approach to sex. For example, I came to birthday party and it took me 40 minutes to fuck that girl. And on day game, same. Same, you know, to fuck here in 1 hour. It's awesome. Let's celebrate that. And Mrs. Amazing song, once again, let's play that. Read our book, How to Become an Alpha Man. Watch pickup online training courses. Learn everything from night game program, How to Dance with a Woman. Watch products from approach to sex at resort, at the gym with 5 different girls, version 1, version 2. Eventually go to same day bang version 1, version 2, and end up with tricking 5 new different girls. 2022 products. And fly to real training. Come to Europe here. Or hire us to your city or open a new city. Contact with us. It was alphamantraining.com, Dancer. My nickname is Dancer. Until next time, see you. Bye.